Ucraft is a powerful landing page builder that many are considering, but before you hit that buy button, here are 12 things you need to know. Stick around to the end because we'll compare it to other competitors and show you if it's the right fit for you. First off, Ucraft offers a user-friendly drag and drop editor, making it easy for anyone, whether you're a beginner or an experienced marketer, to create professional-looking landing pages. But how does it stack up against competitors like Leadpages or Unbounce? While those platforms also offer similar drag and drop features, Ucraft's interface is simpler, which can be a good or bad thing depending on your needs. It doesn't have the level of customization found on Unbounce, but that's what makes it more approachable for newcomers. Next thing to consider, Ucraft offers a free plan. That's a huge win if you're just starting out and need to test the waters without committing financially. The free plan is limited, but still, it lets you create a single landing page, and it's a good way to see if Ucraft's style fits your needs before committing. Compare this to other tools like Leadpages, which doesn't offer a free tier. Ucraft has an edge for testing without risk. Now, let's talk about templates. Ucraft provides over 70 templates to choose from, which is solid, but not as many as Unbounce or Wix. However, these templates are modern, sleek, and versatile, which should cover most of your needs, whether you're creating a product landing page or a simple lead capture form. Keep in mind that these templates are easy to modify, and you don't need to be a designer to make them look great. The fourth thing to consider is the pricing. Ucraft offers some very competitive rates, with their paid plans starting at $10 per month. When you compare this to Unbounce, which starts at $80 a month, Ucraft is an excellent budget-friendly option. But keep in mind, while Ucraft may save you money, it might lack some advanced features that Unbounce provides, such as A/B testing or more sophisticated targeting tools. Next thing is integrations. Ucraft supports integrations with a variety of third-party apps, including Google Analytics, Zapier, and MailChimp, which is great for automation and tracking. However, when you stack it against platforms like Leadpages or Instapage, you might find Ucraft's integration options a little more limited. The sixth thing you should know is about mobile responsiveness. All Ucraft landing pages are fully responsive, which means they'll automatically adjust to look great on any device. This is crucial in today's world, where mobile traffic is a huge part of the internet. While most landing page builders offer this feature, Ucraft does it well without any extra tweaking required. Now, let's talk about SEO. Ucraft offers solid SEO features, allowing you to easily edit title tags, meta descriptions, and alt text for images. However, if you're someone who's looking for extensive SEO customization, other tools like Unbounce or Wix may provide more granular control over your on-page SEO elements. The next thing is Ucraft's e-commerce functionality. You can use Ucraft to create simple online stores with a limited selection of products. This is a great addition if you're also looking to sell online, but it's nowhere near as robust as dedicated e-commerce platforms like Shopify or BigCommerce. If e-commerce is a top priority, Ucraft might fall short. The eighth thing to know is that Ucraft includes a free subdomain with its free plan, which is fine for testing purposes. But if you want to use your own custom domain, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. Compare this to Leadpages, where you get the ability to use a custom domain even on the most basic paid plan. Next, let's talk about customer support. Ucraft offers a decent range of support options, including live chat, email support, and a comprehensive knowledge base. However, compared to competitors like Instapage or Unbounce, which offer phone support and priority response times for higher tier plans, Ucraft's support options may feel a little more basic. The 10th thing you need to know is about analytics. Ucraft allows you to track your landing page's performance with Google Analytics integration, but it doesn't provide built-in analytics tools like other competitors, such as Unbounce or Leadpages. This means you'll have to rely on third-party tools to dig deeper into your page's performance. The 11th thing is its ability to create pop-ups. Ucraft supports pop-up creation, which is a useful tool for lead generation. However, it's a basic feature compared to other platforms like Opt-in Monster or Leadpages, which offer more advanced targeting options and customization. Finally, the 12th thing to know is that Ucraft is an excellent choice for those who need a simple, budget-friendly solution for creating landing pages. It's not as